Train coming, green light coming.
I don't know what rail it's on. It's on this one. It's on this one. Oh my God. Dennis, tell somebody to call 911 to shut the train down. I know, I can try.
Okay, that's the only way you're gonna do that.
You already called him? He ain't gonna move.
He ain't going nowhere.
Look out! He's gonna get back there.
Yeah, but he can't back up no more down there. He's gonna jump that trailer off it.
Well, he's gonna have to.
Holy hell.
Jeremy, tell him to straighten his wheels up.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. What a jackass. My brother would tell him he's a loser. Wow. And there's a train coming. What a dumbass. Thinking he's gonna turn around on top of railroad tracks in a little small town of Hyman, Pennsylvania. Now take a look here. Like, he couldn't even back up any. Like, if he backs up, he's gonna go off the ledge. That's how dumb this dude is. What a dumbass. Look at him now, coming out like Night of the Walking Dead. Here they come. This guy. Well, ain't nobody getting fresh bagels in the morning. Jesus, look at this. Look at this. Fucking backhoe coming. Holy hell. Ain't that something? Always something interesting in this town.
Now he's stuck. He got no power to get up there.
What does this backhoe think he's gonna do? This backhoe ain't gonna do nothing to this big truck. It's just gonna laugh at it. Look, here I go. Ain't that something? This guy's... I tell you what though, that's some people coming together in a small community, that's for sure. Dude's up here in the backhoe, he's ready to rip. Look at this joker here in this red truck. Thought he's gonna back across a set of railroad tracks. What a dumbass. Let's see who the... Oh, the backhoe is doing it. Look at that shit. Holy fuck. Wow. That's crazy. That motherfucker. Look at this thing trying to get it up over the bank. Damn. Look at that shit. Up over. Damn. Woo-wee. That's some crazy shit, man. That guy right there needs to learn how to drive. Son of a bitch. Yeah, big dog. Yeah, big dog.
I come up hard, I ain't gonna move that pole. I'm like, you ain't moving. He just kept going and going and going.
Yes. There he is, getting out of the truck, the man of the hour. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.